Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are keeping well. You are practicing the sums, fraction, and I hope you all are enjoying fractions also. Okay, in our previous video we have learnt about four types of, you can also call kinds of fractions. We have written the definition also. We have learnt unit fraction, we have learnt proper fraction, improper fraction. We have also learnt mixed numerals. This mixed numerals can be called as a mixed fraction also. Okay, so and I have given you some work to do in the textbook, that is quick assessment of page number 104, that to be done in the textbook, where you just have to classify them according to their types, or you can call it kinds. Okay, now today we are going to learn how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction and improper fraction into mixed fraction. As I have said that these are the only two fractions which you can convert into each other. Mixed fractions can be converted into improper fraction and improper fraction can be converted into mixed fraction. Other than no other fractions you can convert in the other types. Okay, so let's learn how to convert mixed numerals into first mixed numerals into improper fractions, and then we'll learn how to convert improper fractions into mixed numerals. It is very easy, but yes, when you are converting, it is compulsory to show the calculation that how you are converting one fraction to the other. That is really very important. You cannot write direct answer. So always remember, whatever calculation you are doing for changing, you have to show all the calculations, the step in the proper steps, as I will be showing here. Okay, all the calculations to be done in proper steps. Okay, so let's learn how to convert mixed numerals into improper fractions. Okay, suppose first we will learn how to convert mixed numerals into improper fraction. Suppose you are given one mixed numeral. Suppose you are given that 4 whole 3 upon 7. Always remember, in mixed numeral is a combination of a whole number and a part, and a part means fraction. Now this fraction is always a proper fraction. You can see the numeral is smaller than the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Okay, so always remember, in the mixed numeral means the mixed fraction, you will have always a proper fraction with the whole number. If you get here improper fraction, then it is not the correct. Okay, so always remember that this will be always in the combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. Okay, so let's learn how to do the calculation, how to convert this mixed numerals into improper fraction. Now this is very simple calculation. You just have to remember the steps. But as I have said, the steps to be done properly, and you cannot skip the steps. Okay, so first of all, we'll do that this 7 and 4 will multiply. You can put them in any order. You can put 7 multiplied by 4. You can put 4 multiplied by 7. It's okay. So 7 will multiply with the 4. 7 will multiply with the 4, and then whatever answer comes, that will be added with the 3. Okay, 7 will multiply with the 4, and whatever answer comes, that will be added with the 3. But after this, you have to, but The 7 is compulsory. See, it is not like that the 7 you have used here, so you cannot write it again. This is fraction. And fraction can never be without denominators. Okay, so always remember, you don't have to forget to write denominators. Many a times students think, okay madam, I have written 7 over here, then they don't write over here. But it is not like that. If you write 7 here, if you are multiplying with 4, but still the denominator should be there because this is your fraction, and fraction is not possible without denominator. So after using 7 here, still 7 remains as a denominator here. Okay, so now the next 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28 and the answer will plus with the 3. Don't forget to write denominator. Okay, don't forget to write. So many a times students does the whole calculation correctly, but they forget to write the denominator, and because of that it will be considered as a wrong answer. So don't forget to write denominator. Okay, so 28 plus 3. 28 plus 3, that is 29, 30 and 31. So 31 upon 7. You can see now this is converted into improper fraction. What is the improper fraction? Improper fraction is a fraction where numerator is bigger than the denominator. Okay, so this mixed numeral you have converted into improper fraction. Let us revise again what we have done. So first of all, this 7 and 4 will multiply. 7 and 4 will multiply, and this numerator you have to add to the product. We all know the answer of the multiplication is called product. So first of all, we are multiplying 7 with 4, that is 7 4s are, and whatever answer comes will be adding 3 over here. Okay, so 7 4s are 28 plus 3. Okay, when you are doing this, you have to remember that your denominator should be there. You don't have to forget the denominator. Okay, so 7 4s are 28, 28 plus 3 and 7 is a denominator. Okay, now 28 plus 3, the answer is 31. Okay, the answer is 31 and denominator is as it is, which is 7. So this way you can convert mixed numerals to improper fraction. Now let's learn the opposite, how to convert improper fraction into mixed numeral. Okay, improper fraction to mixed numeral. This we have done mixed numeral to improper fraction. Now we'll learn that improper fraction to mixed numeral. That is also very easy. So let's do it. Now, converting improper fraction into mixed numeral. Okay, improper fraction into mixed numeral. See, whatever steps I am showing in the video, when you do this sums in your classwork, you have to do with the same kinds of steps. Please don't cut off any of the steps. Okay, so now suppose you have 54 upon 7. Okay, 54 upon 7. Now this you have to convert into mixed numeral. Okay, first example we have seen how to convert improper fraction, mixed numerals to improper fraction. Now this is a second type of the conversion where we are learning how to convert improper fraction into mixed numerals. Okay, so to convert improper fraction into mixed numeral we use division. Okay, we'll be doing division. When you do and your denominator is a divisor. Always this is the same. Numerator is your dividend, so we'll be writing here, and your denominator is your divisor, so we'll be writing here. So now we'll be dividing 54 by 7. 54 by 7. Okay. So when you do 54 by 7, you can do 7 sevens are 49. And but 7, when you go to 7 eights are 7 sevens are 49. When you go to 7 eights are, it will become 56. So we can take 7 sevens are 49. 7 sevens are 49. Now we'll do the subtraction. And the remainder is 5. Okay. Now, when you have done the sum, there is a remainder. Now we have this 3 numbers. 1, this 2, and this 3. Okay, we have this 3. Now we have to arrange these numbers, all 3 numbers, into mixed numerals according to the fraction. Okay, so now we know that this divisor is a denominator. Okay, this 7 which is we have put as a divisor, it is denominator, so it will go at its own place because this divisor is denominator. So denominator will go back to the place of denominator. Okay. Now we are remaining with the quotient and a remainder. Now always remember, this quotient is a whole number. So where will the whole number come? Here. Okay. Quotient is always a whole number. So the 7 which is a quotient will come at the place of whole number. This remainder is always a numerator. So it will come here. And here you can see we have got a mixed numeral from the improper fraction. Okay, let's see one more example. Okay, so we all know that we have to use division. Now this numerator is our dividend. Numerator is our dividend. Denominator is our divisor. Okay, now we'll say the 5's table. 5 sevens are 35, but 5 eights are will be 40. So we can go for 5 sevens are 35, and we have a remainder which is 3. Okay, so we have this number, this 5, this 7, and this 3. Okay, now we have to arrange these numbers in the form of mixed numeral. As we all know that denominator is our divisor, which will go back to its own place, which is denominator. So 5 is the divisor, which is denominator, so it will go here. Now we are remaining with these 2 numbers. This 7 is a quotient, so it will come here. And 3 is the remainder, which will come here. So this way we can convert improper fraction into the mixed numeral. Okay, so this way you can convert the improper fraction into mixed numeral and mixed numeral to the improper fraction. Now we have exercise 7F. Now exercise 7F, question 1. Which of the following are unit fractions? Okay, so here we'll be doing few sums in the textbook and the rest few questions in the class work itself. Okay, so let's do this exercise 7F I'll be showing you few important sums, and then we can go to the next topic of our chapter. This is fraction. Okay, so let's see that how to solve exercise 7F. Okay, the important questions I'll be showing, the rest you have to do by your own. So let's see exercise 7F, question 1. Question 1 to be done in the textbook itself, because it is just, you just have to take the questions which are unit fractions. Okay, so A is, we have A 1 upon 3, B 3 upon 4, C 1 upon 23, D 1 upon 29, and E 70 upon 117. Okay, so you just have to say that which of the following are unit fraction. Okay, so you just have to say that, okay, we'll just tick, that is A. We all know unit fractions are the fractions which are having a 1 as a numerator. Okay, so this is the fraction A which has a 1 as a numerator, so this we can call a unit fraction. This is not a unit fraction. I am again repeating, unit fraction is a fraction which has 1 as a numerator. Okay, can we consider it as a proper fraction also? Yes, because the numerator is smaller than the denominator. You can consider the same fraction as a proper fraction also. Okay, so this is also unit fraction, this is also unit fraction. So question 1 to be done in the textbook itself. You have to start with the question 2. You have to do question 2 and question 3 in the classwork, and question 4 also in the textbook itself. Okay, I am repeating again, exercise 7F, question 1 in the textbook, question 4 in the textbook, but question 2 and 3 in the classwork. Now I'll be showing you 1 or 2 sums of both from both the question 2 and question 3. Rest of the sums with the same way, the steps and all you have to do in the classwork. Okay, so let's do it. Question 2. Okay, now in question 2 you have to convert the improper fractions into mixed numeral. Okay, so I'll be showing you the 2 sums which are this C and D. A is easy, that is 5 upon 4. There are 5 questions. A 5 upon 4. B 11 upon 5. C 23 upon 6. D 130 upon 18, and E 101 upon 11. Okay, so I'll be doing this C and D. Okay, I'll be doing this 2 sums in the, I'm showing this 2 sums in the video. Rest of the sums, that is A, D, E, okay, you have to do by your own. So in short, you have to start with A, then B, then C, then D, and then E. You have to do this way, this question 2 in the classwork. I am doing the C, that is 23 upon 6. Okay, so 23 upon 6, we have to convert this into mixed numerals, so we have to divide it. Okay, so we'll have to say the table of 6. 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24. So 24 is bigger. We can go for 6 3s are 18. Okay, and here is a 0. Now we have these 3 numbers, that is 6, 3 and 5. Okay. Okay, so 6, 3 and 5. 6 is a denominator, so it will go as a denominator. This quotient is always a whole number, so it will come here. And then remainder will come as a numerator. So this is your answer. So in the classwork you have to show method like this way. You have to show the division also, and then you have to put it in the form of mixed numeral. Okay, let's see the next one, that is B. That is 113 upon 18. Okay, 113 upon 18. Divide it. So 113 divided by 18. So you can say 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36, 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36, 18 threes are 54, 4s are 72, 5s is 90, and 6s is 108. 7s is 18 sevens is 120. 6 which is greater than that, so we can go for 18. 6 are 108. So we can go for 18. 6 are 108. If you don't know the table, you can make a table in the rough work. Okay, in the rough work. So 18, 6 are 108. So now we'll be subtracting. Here is a 0, here 13. Here 0, here 0. So again you have 5 as a remainder, 6 as a quotient, 18 as a divisor. We all know 18 is a denominator, so we can take it as a denominator only. This 6 will go as a whole number, and 5 will go as a numerator. So this is your two sums of question 2. Now let's do question 3. Question 3 where you have to convert mixed numeral to the improper fraction. I'll be showing you 1 or 2 sums, and rest you have to do by your own. Okay, so I'll be showing you A, that is 2 whole 1 upon 3. I'll be showing you B also. Okay, as we all know, when you're converting mixed numeral to improper fraction, we'll be multiplying these two numbers. Okay, so 3 multiplied by 2, and what the answer comes, we add the numerator. Don't forget to write denominator. Fraction is always with the denominator, so please don't forget to write it here, that is denominator. Okay, so now we can see that 3 twos are 6 plus 1 and the denominator, and 6 plus 1 7 denominator, and the answer is 7 upon 3. So this is your A. Now I'll be doing B here, that is 5 whole 1 upon 6. Okay, so 5 whole 1 upon 6. So we'll be multiplying 6 and 5. 6 multiplied by 5, and we'll add 1 into it. See, here also numerator 1, here also numerator 1, so we are adding 1. So it is not like that every time you have to add 1. It depends what you have as a numerator. Suppose your C is having 2 upon 3, your numerator is 2, so you have to add 2. So this number is your numerator. Okay. Now here is a 6. Now we'll be multiplying 6 5s are 30 plus 1 and down, that is 6. Okay, that is down 6, and so the answer is 31 upon 6. Okay, so this is your A and B of question 3. A and B of question 3. Now the rest, that is C, D, E and F, you have to do by your own in the classwork. C, C, D, E. Okay, so this way you can do question exercise 7F. Now question 4, use the pictures to write the improper fraction and then convert into mixed numeral. It is very easy. You have to write first the fraction and then you have to convert into mixed numeral. One has been already done for you, so you can follow the method and you can do this question in the textbook. It is very easy. Okay, any doubt you can ask. Fine. Now our next topic is how to apply division or multiplication with the fraction. We are just going to see the highlight that how you can do the multiplication or division of fraction and the whole number. Okay, you must have seen this kind of sums when you were doing the chapter that is time and calendar, where you have to find out the minutes from the given time. Okay, so in our next video we'll be learning that how to find the quotient or how to multiply and divide a fraction and the whole number, but we'll be doing in our next video. Till then, thank you. Bye.